is John Toublaris. I'm a real estate sales and mindset coach. I'm an international speaker and a best-selling author. Success is doing what you want, where you want, wherever you want, with whom you want. Well, an agent becomes successful by actually putting a business plan together, surrounding themselves with successful people, knowing what they want, truly being connected to their why, their purpose, and their vision, and executing that plan every single day. Hey, pause right here and click on the link below, get a free copy of my book so that you can increase your sales, take more listings, and earn more money. Go ahead and do that right now. So please make sure to like, share, and subscribe my channel right now so you can get more great videos like the one you just watched. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, please click right here. Once again, my name is John Toublaris, international speaker, award-winning author, and a real estate sales and mindset coach. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.